Hi everyone, I am Sanya and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. As you would have assumed, this is my fifth home for this channel, and even though this speech today is not exactly related to Independence Day, I still feel that today is the most apt occasion for a piece like this. I hope you like it. It's called Chains Around His Neck. Let's hear a tale which is both congenial and bitter, my grandmother said, about a person who was both a miscreant and a victor. Nonetheless, he was definitely a fighter. Let's hear a tale about a man with chains around his neck. I'll serve my nation till my last breath, he had once said, looking in the mirror. Who knew his last breath would be in the domicile of his killer, where he would be chained and beaten like a sinister? Let's hear a tale about a man with chains around his neck. If he doesn't cooperate, put chains around his neck, said the commander. Chains which were made up of hot metal, yet colder. For they weren't made of steel or silver, but of hatred for one another. The chains around his neck made him a prisoner of war, they would whisper. But the war didn't make him a prisoner, it was something bigger. It was the cruelty of communalism that turned him into a prisoner. As he stood there, chained, he wondered if this is what it feels like to be a winner. Fear lingered in his mind. Does my sacrifice even matter? Or am I just a sinner? For neither mine nor the countless deaths before me could get both sides to have a joint dinner. Even after 75 years, on both sides of the border, rules are in our monster. Let's hear a tale about a man with chains around his neck. As time passed, the chains got tighter, yet the grudges and animosity managed to choke him faster. He gasped for breath and his lips began to quiver. He finally embraced death in the hope that a border never becomes the reason for another murder. And ends the tale about a man with chains around his neck. That story, it wasn't just about any man, said my grandmother as her voice began to quiver. It was the story of your grandfather, whose body was found along the downriver. A hero of this nation, dedicated to achieving the goals he was asked to deliver. And my youth of today, this is the tale you need to remember. The tale about the hero with chains around his neck. So that is it. I hope you like it. And I hope you understand the emotion that I've tried to put into this piece. It's definitely about the grudges that we keep on holding even after 75 years. And this piece, even though it isn't personal to me, I still believe that that emotion is something which is present in every single person who has lost their lives due to this animosity and due to these grudges that are present even today. If there are any sort of feedback that you have for this piece or in general, you can hit me up either personally or drop down your comment. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or tell others to subscribe to it. I hope you are liking my videos and I hope I'm able to keep doing this every week. Thank you for all the support. Bye.